Hey guys, it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy J4 versus a Vivo Y81i, and Y81i comes with a MediaTek Helio A22 with a 2 GB RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy J4 comes with a Exynos 7570 processor with a 2 GB RAM. So let's quickly boot and show you what is the difference between a Vivo Y81i versus a Samsung Galaxy J4. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time, and this video is also sponsored by Apple Mobile Shop. They have this message: this will be very good to buy new and used phones as well. Let's see who is faster there. And Y81i comes with a new aspect ratio with the display. And Samsung Galaxy J4 giving you a Super AMOLED display, but it is a 720p display, same resolution as the Y81i, and you can see faster Y81 and J4 is right behind, so about 2 second difference here, and both far it comes with a same price range as well. So everything goes up in the background and no Wi-Fi on both phones and 2 GB RAM on both phones. First application is the phone dialer, and faster on the Y81i with a faster animation launching the settings, and faster on the Y81i, and J4 is right behind. So let's launching the My Files application, and you can see just a tiny bit faster on the Vivo Y81i. So let's launching some games application, and first is the Temple Run 2. And Vivo Y81i is just a tiny bit faster there, and you can see Y81i is just a tiny bit faster there, and J4 is right behind, about 1 second difference there. Let's watching second game application is the Candy Crush, and Y81i is giving you a notch, and that was faster on the Y81i, and J4 is right behind. Next up, last game application is the Subway Surfer, and both phones comes with a 2 GB RAM. And Y81i is faster there, and Samsung Galaxy J4 is also done. It is showing me a sign in thing. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera. Here we go, and this time the J4 is faster in opening up the camera application. So let's launching the internet browser on both phones, Google Chrome versus a Vivo internet browser, and show you guys what is the speed in internet browser. I have launched the internet browser on both phones, and first website is the wikipedia.org, and faster on the Samsung Galaxy J4, and Y81i is also right behind. Let's launching the second website is the facebook.com, and faster on the Samsung Galaxy J4, and Y81i is also right behind, about 1.5 second difference there. So let's see the RAM measurement, and 2 GB RAM on both phones, and first application is the phone dialer, and that got refreshed on the Y81i. It is showing me a white thing before opening the application. Same thing with both of these phones in second application, and that got refreshed also on both phones. Launching some games, and you can see that got also refreshed on both phones. Candy Crush, and the Candy Crush is not refreshed on the Y81i. And the Subway Surfer is not refreshed on the Y81i, and J4 is refreshed again. And last is the internet browser, and that got refreshed on the J4, but Y81i is incredible. And overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is just a tiny bit faster on the Y81i, and J4 is not bad. It is right behind to the Y81i, and RAM matchment is absolutely bad both on both phones, but RAM management is just a little bit good on the Y81i with more powerful processors. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Vivo Y81i versus a Samsung Galaxy J4. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.